guys, how's everyone doing? It's Lenz here from Lenz Party Events. Today I'm just go to a quick video of how I made this Elsa and Anna. I use this one for my decoration. I bought the SVG at Etsy and downloaded it into my computer, ungroup it, sort the cardstock out, cut it, and put them together. I'm not gonna show you every details how I made it. It's just quickly how I do the prop. And please guys, support my channel, click subscribe and click that bell next to it. And please guys, don't forget to share my video. Sharing is caring. And anyone interested of how I do this together, put them together step by step, I can do separate video, just comment below. I know there's already so many videos similar to this, but if anyone interested how I did it, so please comment below and I will do a separate video. And I hope you like this video guys. Okay, here we go. I will show you quickly how I put them together.